How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you 5 solutions to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Solution 1. Check eligibility. First things first, Facebook Marketplace has age restrictions and may not be available in all regions. Make sure you're 18 or older on your Facebook profile. Here's how to check. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. To open the menu, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Tap See More in Account Center. Select Personal Details and tap Birthday. If you need to update your birthday, tap Edit Birth Date and make the change. Solution 2. Update the Facebook app. Outdated apps can cause glitches. Let's update Facebook to the latest version. Open your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type Facebook and tap the app. If an Update button appears, tap it to install the latest version. Solution 3. Clear Facebook cache. Sometimes a cluttered cache can cause problems. Here's how to clear it. Open the Facebook app. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Scroll down and tap Browser. Tap Clear next to your browsing data. This will delete browsing data associated with the Facebook app. Solution 4. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can block access to Marketplace. Try these quick fixes. Toggle airplane mode on and off in your phone. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or vice versa. Solution 5. Contact Facebook support. If none of the above solutions work, you can reach out to Facebook support. Open the Facebook app. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Help and Support. Select Report a Problem, then tap Continue to report a problem. Tap Include. Choose Marketplace and describe the issue. Facebook will get back to you soon. That's all you need. You now have 5 solutions to fix the Marketplace isn't available issue. By following these steps, you should be able to access Facebook Marketplace again. And this is how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. If you have any questions about Facebook Marketplace, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.